Understanding clinical research, an overview for rare disease patient community. These are the topic highlights we'll be going over in this presentation. What is clinical research? Clinical research refers to studies carried out on people, which can include healthy and/or patient volunteers. Clinical research studies can take place in various places, which include the hospital, academic institutions, doctors' offices, and/or can occur online virtually. To add, clinical research studies can vary in size, where research studies can be performed in one center or multiple centers at once. Next, let's take a look at the types of clinical research studies. Clinical research studies are divided into two broad categories, which include observational studies and experimental studies. To introduce, clinical research studies can be observational, looking at the nature of the disease course on people, or experimental, designed to evaluate new treatments to find the best ways to prevent, diagnose, or treat diseases. Observational studies only observe people for specific conditions without intervening or controlling the conditions. For example, researchers may observe a group of people and perform exams to learn more about the conditions over time. In comparison, experimental studies, or also known as clinical trials, are studies where participants receive treatment drugs or devices to test if they're more effective than a placebo and/or standard treatment currently available in the market. Here is a snapshot of the phases of a clinical trial. New promising treatment drugs or devices must go through rigorous clinical testing before the FDA can approve them to market. It is important to note that there are multiple safeguards set in place to protect the rights and safety of research participants in clinical trials. These include government agencies, institutional review boards, as well as data safety monitoring boards. Clinical trials are run by medical professionals who are required to follow these regulations to ensure participants are safe. In addition to routine medical care, there are multiple benefits to participating in clinical research studies. Some of these benefits include first, access to promising treatments which are not available in market, free and expert medical care, the opportunity to advance medicine, as well as the opportunity to take active role in maintaining your health. Here is a snapshot of a patient experience participating in a clinical trial. Next, let's take a look at some of the steps you can take to participate in a research study. It's very important to consult your doctor to learn more about the research studies that are fit for you and are available in your area. In some cases, your doctor may encourage you to participate. He or she knows about your condition and can give appropriate suggestions and/or recommendations. You may also visit clinicaltrials.gov, a central database maintained by the National Institutes of Health to find research studies conducted across the world. Once you find a research study that may be right fit for you, contact the study team that is listed. If you meet the criteria to participate, they will set up an appointment to invite you to come in for further evaluation. Lastly, not every clinical trial is right fit for you. It is important to discuss with your doctor, family member, or a friend before you make the decision to participate. It is also critical that you review the research study to understand purpose and eligibility requirements. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you may email us at mgnet@gw.edu, or you may visit our website at rarediseasesnetwork.org/mgnet for more contents.